My fellows project is looking at the history of campus controversies over pornography and sexual speech. And over the past handful of decades, there have been a number of situations in which professors and invited guest lecturers to campus have caused quite an uproar when their courses or their lectures deal with the topic of pornography or sex media broadly defined. So I'm really interested in the history of these controversies, but more specifically, how do faculty and administrators navigate these controversies? So a big part of my project is interviewing faculty members and administrators to hear about their experiences teaching this material and also responding to those moments when controversies arise. So part of my project is really thinking through what are some productive responses that can ensure and protect free speech and at the same time respond robustly to critics when they're voicing their complaints.